What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about my Bybit trading bots. Okay, so the challenge was, or still is, because I haven't completed the challenge yet, flip 1,000 bucks into 2,000 bucks in 30 days. So today's the day 25. Okay, even though I've been trading, I've not been posting videos because I've been busy. Even any of the videos, I've been busy, so I haven't been posting any videos about trading. So I decided to make you an update about it. And yesterday was an awesome day, guys. I made so much gains with Pepe. Shout out to Pepe, guys. Currently now it's on a downtrend, but it was a really good coin to trade. So let's see how far we are from the challenge. Okay, where is it? There you go. So over here we can see that from 1,000 now we have 1,479.64 bucks. Okay, so that means I've made 479 in 25 days. Okay, not bad, not bad. But along the way, I made some mistakes. So while I'm gonna show you my positions and all that, I'm gonna explain what happened because the more important thing is we learn from mistakes, and the more we trade, the more we learn. So as you can see right here, I have currently three bots running, and the total P&L is minus 21 bucks or minus 2.8, and I'm going to explain to you why. Okay, so let's go in and let's see what's up. Okay, guys, so over here we have BTC. Okay, so BTC, um this bot has been running for one day. Well, let's call it 24 hours, 48 hours. Okay, nearly 48 hours. Okay, so the bot has been running for nearly 48 hours, and I decided to go long 10x's. The price range was, or still is, 27k to 30k. If you go over to BTC, we can see that, right? We can see, if the computer allows me. Man, I need a new computer. This one is too slow. We can see that the 27k it's right here, because I was like, okay, the lower bound probably should be around here 25, but I didn't really believe that BTC, if it dumps, it will go all the way to 25. So prior to that prior dump, okay, BTC went all the way to 27. So I decided to use this mark right here. This support level has the lower band, and the higher band is going to be the 30k right there, because BTC so far has been struggling to break above this 30.7k. Okay, so we got the lower band right here, we got the higher band right here, and my entry point wasn't at the market price, and I set up the bot to enter on this line right here. Okay, so if I zoom in, we can see that BTC barely touched. As you can see, just a drop, and that was enough to trigger the bot. Okay, so since then, the bot's still up and running, as you can see right there. So if you click on details, we can see my entry price. Let me click on details. So far, I am up 10%, so 2 days, so that means 5% each per day. Okay, we can see the results. So grid per profit only 17 bucks. Okay, 15 trades in total. Where's the entry price? So the entry price is right there, 28,667. If you go over here, we can see that 28,6, roughly 28,667. Okay, the BTC barely touched there. Okay, so that was enough to bots to be triggered. Okay, so far this trade is doing well. So I'm gonna let this bot roll, because I strongly believe that eventually BTC will break above the 30k, and then when it does, it will be time to close the bot, because it will be out of range. Okay, so if we zoom out, we can see that BTC is still on the uptrend. That's why I'm still rolling with this bot and let it roll as far as I can until it goes out of range. Okay, as you can see right here, BTC it's currently on the uptrend. That's why I'm letting these bots roll. Okay, so the other two bots, they are not doing well because I made mistakes. Okay, so we all make mistakes. So the important thing, like I said to you, is for us to learn. So I have the ARB bots and we have the BNB bot, and as you can see, they've been rolling for this one 7 days or nearly 8 days, and this one 9 days. So what happened to these two bots? Okay, let's check our bot first. Okay, so our bot, so usually a cool thing that I do is I place the longs or short positions on a chart, so I know when I entered the position and I can see what happened, and I can improve myself next time I set a trade. Okay, so ARB was right here. Okay, so just like BNB, it was consolidating, and usually when this happens, this is well, it can go both ways. It can go up or it can go down. So the mistake that I made was I thought the coin would go up, the price chart would go up. So I put a long position right here. Okay, as you can see right here, put a long position, and the low band was this one right here, 1.30, and the higher band was all the way up 1.7. Okay, so my mistake was not wait long enough. So I was waiting, but I didn't want it to miss out the opportunity to make profits. Okay, so I deployed a bot too early without having a confirmation, and that ended up being a bad trade. Okay, fortunately, I haven't got stopped by the stop loss because I had to increase the stop loss. Okay, so my stop loss was a bit bigger because, as you can see right here, the token broke below this low band, so I had to increase the stop loss, right? And the bot's still there, up and running. Why the bot's still up and running? Because I really believe that eventually this ARB token will pump back up. Okay, if it pumps back up, I will be in the green. But if I decided to terminate this bot now, I will be down 14%, or 35.63 bucks, and I don't want to lose that money. So for now, this bot will stay here up and running. Okay, so that's why the bot's been running for nearly 8 days. Okay, because I don't want to lose this trade, so I'm gonna let it roll. Okay, in the meantime, this money right here is stuck. Okay, next one we have BNB. Okay, so BNB again, I truly believe BNB will go back up again. So that's why the bot is also running for nearly 10 days. And currently I'm down 6.13% or 15 bucks. Okay, so let's go over to BNB price chart. And as you can see right here, BNB was on a bullish pattern, right? Going up and up and up. And usually when that happens, it breaks. That this is a bullish pattern, and when that happens, there is a break towards the upside. Okay, and as you can see right here, BNB actually broke this line right here, and I thought, okay, there we go, we are going out. But as soon as I deployed my bots, BNB decided to dump. So I was like, damn. So over here I made two errors, right? So the first one wasn't really an error, but I got misled by BNB. Okay, there was a false breakout, so I got stuck. I'm still stuck on this trade. And the second mistake that I made with this trade was putting the lower band just here. Okay, so as you can see right there, 31,360. Okay, 31 is just there, whereas I should have at least use this band right here. Okay, because this is a really good support level, or even this one right here, 318. Okay, so I didn't think it through, so that's why the bot is not trading, because the bot is only going to trade between 331 and 360, and currently BNB is trading at 324, so we're not making any trades, whereas the Arbitrum still making trades, even though we are down, still making trades between 1.3 and 172. But I am down because my entry point was 142. So I'm down I'm down 14%, give it a take. But the bot's still making trades. Okay, so if I click on details, we can see the bot still making trades. Okay, so we have how many trades? So in total trades, 42 trades. Okay, profit, grid per profit, 7.7 bucks. Okay, yeah. So let's go over to my completed bots. Okay, so let's see what's been happening. So this one was Pepe, like I said to you yesterday. So 149%. That was my best day trading ever. Okay, made so much profit with this guy. So 149%, so 417 bucks. Okay, and then in the morning, I deployed, well, prior to this one, I deployed a bot. Okay, but the thing, I had to deploy a second bot because, as you can see, the grid range was only to 212 because I didn't think that, you know, the Pepe token would go above 212. Okay, at the time, but I went to do a workout. When I came back, the price was like 0.03. I was like, whoa, what's going on? So after the pullback, I waited for the pullback and decided to go back in. And the price range was this one. So that's why the profit was bigger, because I increased the price bunch. Because when the bot goes outside of the higher band, or even go outside the range, the bot will not trade. Okay, the bot will not trade. Okay, that's why I decided to close that bot, because the token was pumping, and open a new bot with a higher range. Okay, so currently Pepper is dumping, but I went from here all the way here. Okay, because my higher band was like 555, was around here somewhere. Okay, so I gave enough margin for the bot to trade. So the bot was trading all the way up. Okay, every time the price went down, it bought. Every time it went up, it sold. Beautiful. Okay, so the second trade was this one right here. So 199. So I made 80 bucks, and then after that, you know, I went all in. I reinvested, so I compounded, so 280 right there, and this was my profit. Okay, so this one right here, I panicked. I panicked because Pepe was dumping, and I was like, man, I'm gonna lose this thing. I'm gonna lose this thing. So what I did was I set take profits at 1%. Okay, and what happens is, because this token is very volatile, so it goes up and down really fast, right? So soon as the bot triggered the 1%, it closed the position, but as soon as the position was processed, right, so the price went back down again, and you know that took me to a minus for 149%. Okay, but it's okay. Lesson learned. So don't just set a trade and um, um, and panic. Okay, just make sure that if you are going to set the trade, make sure that you are sure or confident about that trade, because if you're going to set the trade and then panic about it, it might be a big mistake. Okay, another thing that I would like to mention is, if you're going to set a trade, don't set a trade in the middle. Okay, like we can see right now, the token, it's in the middle of this red line and green line. Okay, so if you are looking to place a trade, don't place a trade in the middle, because the token can go both ways, right? So I would place, in this case, I would place a trade either here on the green bands or on the red band. But from what I can see, the the token is on a downtrend, right? So it's on a downtrend. So most likely the token is gonna keep going down, even though this is a bullish momentum, okay, bullish trend. I mean, so usually what happens is it goes down and then breaks above, okay. If that's the case, you will go long. But if you want to go long, wait until the price comes all the way to the red line, and then once you got the confirmation, you go up. But if it breaks below, you go short. Simple as that. Same goes to BNB, right? So we got BNB is right in the middle, and if it comes over here, you probably go long, because the overall trend is long. Okay, so you go long, and at least, you know, even if it goes down a little bit, eventually it will go up. Okay, a few more trades. So Pepe, like I said to you, Pepe is super volatile, and Yeah, it's crazy. So this trade only lasted for 1 minute. So my stop loss was at my take profit was at 10%, and as you can see, as soon as the 10% was triggered, okay, the price went back down, and I only managed to catch 7.41. Okay, this one lasted 4 minutes. Again, the take profit was at 5%, and as soon as the bot closed the position, the price went down. Okay, Pepe is super volatile, but you can make money fast or you can lose money fast. Okay, so as you can see right here, Pepe, 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 right? And yeah, over here we got BTC. I made a mistake about BTC again, just like uh, uh, BNB. Okay, but the thing is, BTC was going down, was dumping, right? And I was like, okay, BTC is going to keep dumping till 26. Okay, so I decided to place a short. Okay, and then as soon as I placed that short, right, BTC went up. Okay, BTC went up. I was like, man, should I take this loss or let it roll? So I let it roll for 24 hours because it was on the Fed day. They would announce something, and I was like, okay, they might announce some bad news, and BTC might dump, so I'm gonna wait, right? So the bad news didn't come, BTC didn't dump, so I decided to take a loss because overall BTC wouldn't go back to below 27. Okay, so I decided to take that loss and move on from it. Okay, over here we have another profitable trade. This one I canceled, and yeah, guys, we got some losses because, like I said to you, we live and learn. The most important thing is we to learn. So over here, this was when BTC all of a sudden decided to pump, and all my shorts got stopped basically. And yeah, as you can see, um, had a bad start, because we constantly learning. But the more we trade, the more we learn, the better we will become. Okay. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is the day 25. Damn, this video is already 17 minutes long. Day 25, so I'm 5 days away to complete the challenge, or to at least try to complete the challenge. Okay, so I need 530 $530 to lock this challenge. Okay, is it going to be possible? I don't know. Usually Saturdays and Sundays the market is low, right? Not much happens, but we'll see. If I catch a good coin to trade, I will try to trade, make a few bucks, and see if I can hit the target. If not, at least I made it halfway or nearly halfway. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you are trading, okay, start with low money. You can start with $100, $10 per trade, so you can test it out, see how it goes, see how it works, what works, what doesn't work, and take it from there. Okay, but the most important thing is the more you trade, the more you will learn. That's for sure. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.